Today's video, I'm going to be making a 386DX machine with a PCEM version 17. So I'll leave all the links of all the software and files that you can get in the video descriptions below. So this is the one that I'm using. These are the BIOS files. So the machine's going to be a 386DX 33 megahertz with a Adlib Gold sound card and a Super VGA video card. So you need the BIOS files, you'll need the sound drivers, you need a MS boot disk, you'll need a MS-DOS 6.22 operating system. Not that. You could get the Trident 8900D driver. And that's it. We'll have to do a couple of things. We need to get ROM files and put them into the PCEM version 17 ROM file folder. So just get all the files here like that, put it into the ROMs folder. I already did, so it just shows. There's more. Put all of that in there as well. Okay. I'm going to start PCEM version 17. I'm going to create a new machine. New. I'm going to select 386 DX AMI 386 DX clone. That one. 33 megahertz. 8 megabytes of RAM. This graphics card here, Trident SVGA 8900D. This Adlib Gold. Select that. I'm going to set the storage devices. Let's start. A drive will be this. B drive will be this. CD-ROM, I guess 2x. Be making my floppy disk hard drive image here. 500 megabytes. This one right here, VHD fixed size. I'm gonna call it 386DX. Call it. Don't forget .vhd. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go to D drive, create another hard drive image. 500. Select fixed size VHD. .vhd again, save. Okay. E drive will be the CD-ROM. Mouse, I'll just leave it a default 2-button serial mouse. Start the machine. Restart again. I'm going to change the video size. Scale to 2 so you can see better. Start. Press delete to get into the BIOS. We need to configure the BIOS before we could use this. Go here. You could use page up and page down to set this. 1.2, 1.4, escape. Go to auto detect for hard drive. Yes. And yes. Write to CMOS and exit. Yes. Now I want to stick in the Windows DOS startup disk. Copy that. Paste that in there. Go to software. Select the startup disk. Okay. Press enter. Okay, so let's run fdisk. Select 1. Select 1. Yes. Escape. Go to 5. Select 2. Go to 1. Enter. 1. Enter. Yes. Escape. Escape. So Windows is going to restart. Startup is going to restart. Okay, good. So now we want to format the drives. Format C drive. Yes. Enter. Format D drive. Yes. Enter. Now I should be able to access C and D drive. I want to make a directory called drivers. Back to A drive. Copy everything in A drive to C drive drivers. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to eject A drive. and I want to stick in the MS-DOS 6.22 disk so I can install MS-DOS 6.22. Select MS-DOS 6.22 disk 1. Type setup, escape, enter, enter. Okay, this is fine. This is where I want to send it to. Just install the disks. In the third disk. Okay, to remove all floppy disks. So eject. Now we want to edit the Autoexec C.bat and Config.sys files. I wrote it down here. I also have it on my website. I'll leave a link for this in the video descriptions below as well. Now I'm going to change the Autoexec dot config.sys files. That's it for that. Alt F, save, Alt F, exit. Change the config.sys files. I'm going to ignore this and just copy these. F, make sure you typed in everything correctly. Alt F again, exit, restart the computer. Okay, so I want to see if I can access everything. E drive is my CD-ROM drive. I can access it. So my mouse should also work as well, because that's why I typed in this command. So it goes into what it does is it goes into this directory and starts the mouse driver every time. I don't have to go in here every time and type it in manually. It just does it automatically with the Autoexec.bat file. Now I want to install the sound driver. So I'm going to eject that, change B. It's my Sound Blaster discs, my Sound Blaster Gold. E drive. I made a mistake. CTRLDRV, enter. Then type setup. Continue. I want to configure the card first. This is fine. Like, I'm going to select 3. Seven, and no for that. Copy this to my hard drive. Middle mouse click and go to change B. Get disk 1 again. Quit. This is going to write everything into your Autoexec and Config.sys file. Save and reboot. It's like I'm having some IRQ conflict, so I'm going to have to go back into Gold. To Play around with this a little bit. Try tab. Try down Alt-C. This time the mouse worked. If it works now. Select. Okay, that works. Now what I want to do is I want to put some games and software in here. Let's shut this down. Go here. Type in computer management. Go to storage. Go to disk management. Copy that. Left click here. More actions. Attach VHD. Browse. Paste. This. Secondary drive. Okay. I'm able to open this so I could put the software I want in here. Okay, that's good. That's all I want in there. So go back here. Actually go here. Right here. Detach VHD. Now let's go back into PCM. Okay, I want to go to D drive and see if what I put in there is in there. Okay, it's in there. Let's play a game. Okay, select Adlib. Alt-Control page down to go back. Let's make it a little bit louder. Try to insert a CD in here. Let's see if it works. Let's see. Okay, I could access the CD-ROM drive. I think that's pretty much it. If you have any thoughts or questions, you could leave it in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.